masa lalu pengarap foto R.A.S.I. Di sini sekarang ku siap untuk
Hot shoe-shaped metal bracket situated on top of the camera is among the basic parts of a camera. It is a mechanical fitting that allows you to connect an external flash unit and other accessories such as radio triggers, external microphones, and light meters. Shutter is crucial to making the image sensor and processing engine inside a digital camera work. This little mechanism sits inside the camera between the lens mount and sensor and controls the duration of light that enters. Film advance is a mechanism for moving film from one spool to another incrementally, one frame at a time. Lens is a tool used to bring light to a fixed focal point. Shutter speed indicator typically measured in fractions of 1 second. Rewind lever enables the exposed film inside the camera to be moved back into its cartridge or canister before being taken out for processing. F-stops is the term used to denote aperture measurements on your camera. Focus ring. This is a section of the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. Camera back attaches to the back of a camera in place of the traditional negative film holder and contains an electronic image sensor. Take up spool, an empty spool that picks up the film in a camera after the film has been exposed to light. Rewind button, a button that you press to go back to an earlier part of a film or movie, piece of music. Film compartment is a compartment in the back of the camera to hold the film. Viewer, the image is viewed and then the glass screen is replaced with the film, and thus the film is exposed to exactly the same image as was seen on the screen. Now let's go to digital camera. Hot shoe is a mounting point on the top of a camera to attach a flash unit and other compatible accessories. Mirror is used to allow the photographer to see the image through the viewfinder. Strap plug are located each end of the top panel, the right side onto the rear and the left forward of the midpoint. X-Sync socket is a mode designed for use with electronic flash. AF coupler is the function of a camera to automatically focus on a subject. Lens information contacts is attached to a camera. The pins make contact with electronic contacts inside the camera body. Lens unlock button. Press this button to unlock the lens mount and detach the lens by rotating it. Lens mount index is a mark on the lens mount that helps you to attach the lens securely to the camera body. Self-timer lamp remote control receiver blinks as the timer counts down. 10 seconds. Diopter adjustment lever works as a lens switching from near to far focus. Built-in flash is to just set light to whatever subject is in front of the lens. Cable switch terminal. It's a useful device when you want to fire the shutter but not want to touch the camera, thus avoiding any vibration. USB video terminal, a data entry device that uses a keyboard for input and a display screen for output. DC input terminal, the current only flows in one direction. Terminal cover round, washer-shaped covers that sit on your battery's terminals. Monitor is a monitor that attaches externally to a digital camera to aid with photography and cinematography. Card access lamp, the lamp appears blinking when there is data transmission between the camera and the memory card. Card cover unlock lever unlock the memory card. There is a lock switch on the left side of the SD card. Self-timer lamp, remote control receiver is a device on a camera that gives a delay between pressing the shutter release and the shutter's firing. Viewfinder, light passing through the lens and bouncing off the reflex mirror and prism in your camera. Tripod socket, the socket encloses the rotating ball and also contains the controls for locking the ball. Battery grip connector terminal cover allows the camera to hold multiple batteries to extend the battery life of the camera. Battery covers separate the batteries from the rest of the vehicle.